hope you enjoyed today's recipe, my mom's delicious Swiss chard. All you need is a few simple ingredients. You'll start with, you need 4 to 5 cups of water that you're going to boil. You need 1 medium onion chopped, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 can of chickpeas, boiled, rinsed, and drained, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Then you'll add your salt and white pepper and fine red pepper to taste, as well as your 4 tablespoons of olive oil and the Swiss chard. Hi everyone, welcome to Anna's Coastal Kitchen. So I have my Swiss chard here, all washed and just draining. Before I get that going and chopping that, I'm gonna go ahead and boil some chickpeas with the liquid. 1 can of chickpeas with the liquid, just for about 10 minutes. Next, I'm gonna get about 4 cups of water boiling in a big pot. I'm excited about getting going on this Swiss chard. So what you need to do is just cut off the ends, just about that much of the ends, and just do that for all of them. Aren't they just so beautiful? And they're really healthy. So many vitamins, and for someone who's trying to watch their weight, it's just all extra virgin olive oil based, so you can feel good about it. They're really good. So I'm gonna cut them like that much. So here is the 2 bunches of Swiss chard, washed and rinsed and chopped, and ready to go into the boiling water. So now the water has come to a nice boil, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the Swiss chard right on in there. I'm just going to stir this up. And I'm going to let this cook until it's very tender. So I would say it's going to take probably about 40 minutes. Next, you want to chop your medium onion, as well as your garlic clove. As you can see here, I just take the garlic clove, smash it down with the knife, and the peel comes right off. So now that you have your onions and the garlic all chopped, you can go ahead and add your 4 tablespoons of olive oil to the pot. And you are going to start to saute your onions and your garlic until they're nice and translucent, and that's probably going to be about 2 minutes. Let's stay on that medium heat. Let's check on the Swiss chard. It's been cooking for about 40 minutes and it is very tender. Just check it, make sure it's tender, and then we're gonna drain this really well. Now that the onions and the garlic have been sauteing for about 2 minutes, I can add the drained Swiss chard. Now mix that together, and I'm going to show you a little trick about using the tomato paste. So a little trick I have when I only need a tablespoon of tomato paste, I just put it in a small container. I just seal it up and pop it in the freezer. You can now begin adding the rest of the ingredients, including the lemon juice, the chickpeas, the salt, the white pepper, the black pepper, and the tomato paste. Cover and cook for another 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. The Swiss chard is ready. So we're gonna go ahead and put the Swiss chard in a bowl. Complete instructions are in the description below this recipe. I hope you try it and let me know if you do in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up and comment below. Subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you next time. Just remember, if you're lucky enough to be at the beach, you're lucky enough. Bye.